So based on the communication in Tagalog ko, so the second person English learner is more on a student-centered approach, wherein the teacher is served as a guide on the side, and on the traditional is more on the teacher-centered or the stage on the stage, whereas the teacher is the center of attention. Now, let's proceed to our activity. I'll give you another activity, so you can use your cell phone to look for the definition or on this activity. You can use your cell phone to look for the meaning of the given word. And afterwards, make a short presentation using a PowerPoint and discuss it in front. Okay? So, still for the technology for group 1, the word is technology. Next is information and communication. Third is educational technology. Then for group 2, define instructional system and instructional technology. Technology, media, and learning. And lastly is the technology tools. So you'll be giving, I will give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes to search for its definition, then additional 5 minutes to make a PowerPoint presentation using your laptop, okay? Are you done? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Since we don't have a extension wire and a HDMI, so we're going to use the laptop. Okay, so group 1 now, present.